So when I say that preserving and liberating Black lives is essential to life on this earth, I mean that if we start at this place where we can all call home, Africa is the only place in this world that contains the genetic code for every person on this earth. Every person on this earth has African DNA. That's not true of any other group. And so for all of us, that is our home. Unfortunately, it's been, race comes into play, and race creates this, what I like to think is that race really eradicates diversity. So this social construction of race comes into play in this moment in time where capitalism and extractivism also comes into play, and it really cuts at our true diversity as a species. It lumps us into these boxes that aren't really biological. They're there for social hierarchies, power and domination, but it really takes us away from the root that we all have a place called home, and that place originally is Africa. And if we look at what's happening to the continent and the people of the continent, we can really use us as like an indicator for what's really happening worldwide, with people all across the planet, and also other life forms across the planet. So in order for us to really liberate ourselves, I think we all really need to have a reorientation to the story of humanity, and to see the diversity that is found on the continent of Africa in terms of the biological diversity of life, but also the cultural diversity and the diversity of the people that come from that place, that have moved about the world and have given the world so much. At a moment where Black life is, I would say is at the bottom of every social indicator across the world. And so if we can start there and understand and have a new orientation to the continent of Africa and its people, then I really believe we can reclaim some of those things that helped humanity get to the point where it's at now.